Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 11 students and the topic of discussion is linear inequalities. In this video we will be discussing on the NCERT solutions for the first exercise. In the first problem, we need to solve the inequality 24x less than 100 when x is a natural number and when x is an integer. So 24x less than 100, we have to keep only x on the left hand side, so we divide both sides by 24. So it will be x less than 100 by 24, which is 25 by 6. What is 25 by 6? It is 4.1. So x is less than 4.1 and we need to find a natural number less than 4.1. So what are those natural numbers? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will do x is an integer. Integer less than 25 by 6, that is 4.1 are 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Please note that all positive, negative and 0, they are referred to as integers. In the second problem, we have to solve minus 12x greater than 30 when x is a natural number and when x is an integer. So let us solve this. We have to remove 12 from here. Divide both sides by 30. So we'll get minus x greater than 2.5. We need to put only x here. So we multiply both sides by minus 1. Whenever we are multiplying by a negative quantity, the sign of the inequality will change. This will become x less than minus 2.5. So x is a natural number. But natural numbers are only positive 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But x is less than minus 2.5. Hence there is no natural number less than minus 2.5. Now x is an integer. Since x is less than minus 2.5, the negative number less than that is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This is the solution when x is an integer. In this problem, we need to solve 5x minus 3 less than 7 when x is an integer and when x is a real number. So we take 3 on the other side, 5x less than 10, so x is less than 2. So when x is an integer and x is less than 2, solution will be 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. And when x is a real number, the solution will be less than 2. So it will go up to minus infinity, from 2 to minus infinity, 2 not included. So we put a round brackets because 2 is not included. So from 2 to minus infinity. This symbol refers to belongs to, x belongs to minus infinity to 2. In this problem, we need to solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2 when x is an integer and when x is a real number. So we'll take 8 on the right hand side. So it will be 2 minus 8, which is minus 6. X is greater than minus 2. So when x is greater than 2 and x is an integer, solution will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when x is a real number and x is greater than minus 2, so it will go, x belongs to minus 2 to infinity. Round bracket is there, it means minus 2 is not included. In this problem, we need to solve the inequality for real x, 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. So what we will do, we'll keep all x on one side and all constants on other side. So we'll take 5x to LHS and 3 on the RHS. So this will be 4x minus 5x, 7 minus 3. 4x minus 5x is minus x less than 4. Now we want to remove minus from here. So multiply both sides by minus 1. When we multiply both sides by a negative constant, the sign of the inequality changes. So x greater than minus 4. So how do we write it as a real x from minus 4 to infinity? x belongs to minus 4 to infinity. In this problem, we need to solve 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. Again, we take all x on one side and all constants on the other side. This will be 3x minus 5x, which is minus 2x. 7 will go there. 7 minus 1 will be 6. So minus x greater than 3. Now we want to remove minus here. So it will be x less than minus 3. Whenever we multiply by minus, the sign of the inequality changes. So the solution will be x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3. Now we need to solve the inequality 3 into x minus 1 is less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. Now we open the brackets in a conventional manner. This will be 3x minus 3. This will be 2x minus 6. Again bringing x on one side and constants on other. So 3x minus 2x minus 6 plus 3, x less than or equal to minus 3. So the solution will be from minus 3 to minus infinity. That's what is given, x less than or equal to minus 3. An important thing is there here, less than or equal to symbol is there. So it means minus 3 is included. That is why we put a square bracket here. Solve the inequality 3 into 2 minus 6 greater than 2 into 1 minus 6. We simplify. Open up the bracket. So 3 into 2 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. So 6 minus 3x. 2x we bring it here. And 6 will bring it other side. It will become minus x greater than minus 4. Multiply both sides by minus 1 so as to remove minus from here. So this will become x less than or equal to 4. So 4 is included. So the solution will be x belongs to minus infinity to 4 with a square bracket since less than or equal to symbol is there. In this problem we need to solve the inequality x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 1. Left hand side we solve the mathematical expression in a conventional manner. We take x as common, so 1 plus half plus 1 by 3. We simplify this by taking the LCM first. So we get x into 11 by 6 less than 11. Further simplification will lead to x less than 6. The solution will be 6 to minus infinity since it is a less than symbol. In this problem, we need to solve the inequality x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1. So we bring all x on the left hand side. So this will be x by 3 minus x by 2 greater than 1. In simplifying, taking the LCM as 6, 2x minus 3x by 6 greater than 1. This will give minus x greater than 6. Since minus is coming here, we need to remove that. So we multiply both sides by minus 1 and change the sign of the inequality. So this will become x less than minus 6. The solution will be minus 6 to minus infinity. Solve the inequality 3 into x minus 2 by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x by 3. We can cross multiply here 3 into this and 5 into this. Please note that since these numbers are positive, we can multiply without changing the sign of the inequality. So this will remain less than or equal to 3 into 3x minus 2 will be 9 into x minus 2. This will be 25 into 2 minus x. Simplifying will give x less than or equal to 2. So the solution will be from 2 to minus infinity because less than is there and less than or equal to means we will put a square bracket because 2 is included. In this problem we need to solve this expression. Again we cross multiply, 3 will be coming here and 2 will go there. So this will be 3 into 3x by 5 plus 4 greater than 2 into x minus 6. We are able to cross multiply without changing the sign because both 2 and 3 are positive. So simplification will give minus x greater than minus 120. We need to remove minus from here. So multiply both sides by minus 1 and change the sign of inequality. This will be x less than or equal to 120. Since x is less than or equal to 120, solution will be from 120 to minus infinity, and a square bracket is added because less than or equal to symbol is there. In this problem, we need to solve this inequality. We simply open the bracket first. So 2 into 2x will be 4x, plus 2 into 3 is plus 6, minus 10 as it is 6x minus 12. Bring all the x on the left hand side and all the constants on the right hand side. We get minus x less than minus 4. We have to remove minus from here. So multiply both sides by minus 1. So this will be x greater than 4. Whenever we multiply with minus sign, the sign of the inequality is changed. The solution will be from 4 to infinity. In this problem, we need to solve this inequality. Again, we simplify first by opening the brackets, then take all the x quantity on the left hand side and all the constants on the right hand side. We'll get minus x greater than minus 2. So we have to remove minus from here. So this become x less than or equal to 2. Whenever we multiply with the negative quantity, the equality sign changes. This problem, we need to solve this inequality. We first take LCM on the right hand side and simplify. So this will be 3 into 15, and we cross multiply 5 into 5x minus 2 and 3 into 7x minus 3. We simplify this and get x greater than 4. So the solution is 4 to infinity. In this, we have to solve the inequality. Again, on the RHS, we first take the LCM. So it will be 4 into 520 and cross multiply 5 into 3x minus 2 and 4 into 2 minus x. We simplify. Now, once we get this, we can cross multiply 20 into 2x minus 1, 3 into 19x minus 18, which will lead to minus x greater than or equal to minus 2 or x less than or equal to 2. So this is the solution, minus infinity to 2. We have put a square bracket since less than or equal to symbol is there and 2 is included. Here we have to solve the inequality this and show it on a number line. So again, x will be taken on one side and constants will be taken on. So we get x less than 3. X less than 3, solution is written as x belongs to minus infinity to 3. So to represent the solution, this is 3 on the number line, all less than 3. Here 3 is not included because equal to sign is not there. So we have put a open circle here. In this problem, we need to solve the inequality and show it on a number line. Again, as discussed previously, x terms will be brought to the left hand side and the other constant terms will go to the RHS. So this will be 5x minus 3x, minus 3 will go there, it will come plus, minus 5 plus 3. So x greater than or equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is located on the number line and it is greater than minus 1. So solution will be by this blue arrow. This is shown here and it is a solid circle here because minus 1 is included. Now we need to solve this inequality and show it on a number line. Open up the bracket. So this will be 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8. Again, bring all the x term on the left side. You will get minus x less than 1. To remove minus from here, multiply both sides by minus 1 and change the sign of inequality. We get x greater than minus 1. So we locate minus 1 on the number line and all the solution to the right of that is the solutions. They are the solutions. Please note that it is greater than minus 1 is not included. So we put a open circle here. Again, solve the given inequality and show the graph of the solution on a number line. We take LCM of the RHS and cross multiply. 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 5x minus 2 and 3 into 7x minus 3 with a minus sign. We simplify this and get as x greater than minus 2 by 7. Since less than or equal to symbol is there, we put a square bracket, and on the number line minus 2 by 7 is around minus 0.3. So it is close to 0 but greater than minus 1. So this is the point, and all the points on the right hand side of this are the possible solutions. In this problem, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first unit test. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test so that his average score is at least 60 marks. Let marks in third test equal to x. So his average will be 70 plus 75 plus x by 3. This should be greater than or equal to 60. So we simply simplify, cross multiply here, 60 into 3, 145 plus x greater than 180, x will be greater than 35. So Ravi should get at least 35 marks so that his average is 60. To receive grade A in a course, one must obtain average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations out of 100. If Sunita marks in the first 4 examinations are 87, 92, 94, find the minimum marks that Sunita must obtain in the 5th examination to get A grade. A grade means she should get 90 or more. So what is the average? Let his marks in the 5th examination be x. So the average will be 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus x by 5, because there are 5 subjects, and this should be greater than or equal to 90. We cross multiply here, 5 into 90, which will be 450, and add this plus x. So x should be greater than or equal to 82. In this problem, we need to find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. Let the smaller odd positive integer be x. So the next integer higher than this will be x plus 2. Now it is given that both are less than 10. So x is less than 10 and x plus 2 less than 10. This gives x less than 8. So when both the conditions are to be satisfied, x less than 10 and x less than 8, it means x is less than 8. And their sum is more than 11. So x plus 2 is greater than 11. Solving this, x greater than 9 by 2 or x greater than 4.5. So x is less than 8 and x is greater than 4.5. So answers are 5, 6, 7. But 6 is even. So the odd integers are 5 and 7. So if we take 5, the larger one will be 5 and 7. If we take 7, the larger one will be 7 and 9. So there are different sets of positive integers possible for this solution is 5, 7 and 7, 9. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive integers, both of which are larger than 5, such that their sum is less than 23. Let one even positive integer be x, the other will be x plus 2. Now both are larger than 5, so x is greater than 5 and x plus 2 is greater than 5, so x is greater than 3. We have two conditions, x greater than 5 and x greater than 3. So the common thing will be x greater than 5 and their sum is less than 23. So x plus 2 is less than 23. Solving gives x less than 10.5. X is greater than 5 and x is less than 10.5. Give the solution as x as 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the possible solution, but they are the even positive integers. So solution will be 6, 8 and 10. 6, 8 and 10. And the corresponding higher values or the larger integers will be x plus 2. So 6, 8 8, 10 and 10, 12 are the possible pairs. Find the longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side and the third side is 2 cm shorter than the longest side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 cm, we need to find the minimum length of the shortest side. So let the length of the shortest side be x. So length of the longest side will be 3 into x. It is given 3 times. And the length of the other third side will be 2 cm shorter than the longer side. Longer side is 3x. So this will be 3x minus 2. Now their perimeter is to be at least 61. So the perimeter is x plus 3x minus 2, which is greater than or equal to 61. This gives x greater than or equal to 9. So minimum value of x is 9. The minimum length of the shortest side is 9 cm. Friends, with this we conclude this video. I hope you like my channel. Please subscribe it so that in future videos can be released to you instantaneously. Thank you very much, friends.